Privacy protection **. Sensi won't sell your personal information to third parties. Save about 23% on HVAC energy **. The Energy Star certified Sensi Smart Thermostat can help you save energy with features like flexible scheduling, remote access, and usage reports. Easy DIY installation. Use the built-in level and step-by-step app instructions for a quick installation. Works with HVAC equipment found in most homes. Common wire (C-wire) is not required in most applications. Smart maintenance. Sensi can help monitor the performance and efficiency of your HVAC system by delivering valuable usage reports, alerts about your equipment, and maintenance reminders like filter replacement. Simple configuration. Looks and feels like a thermostat. Has buttons and fits the same space as a traditional thermostat, so you don't have to patch and paint your walls. Top reviews from the United States. A smart thermostat. The instructions that came with the product was easy to follow and instructive. What helped was replacing another older model Sensi thermostat so that the wiring was very close or correspondingly similar. It connected readily to my router, and in no time my AC system had a new controller at its helm. One can adjust and program from one's phone after downloading the app, which I did, or on the touchpad of the thermostat, which is radiantly illuminated. The best feature, and the singular reason and feature why I upgraded to this product, is the ability to program my AC system to recirculate conditioned air without, and in between, cooling. Overall, I'm pleased to have this thermostat for its modern and slick appearance, ease of installation, intuitive controllability, and its smart features. This Sensi Smart Thermostat is highly recommended.